Well, the sun is up here in Arizona. It's morning. It's still a little bit cold right now. Plans today, we're going to go on take the side-bys and go out into the desert and maybe go check out some mines. And we heard there were some petroglyphs out there that we want to try to metal find. Detectors and who knows what else, but we'll go out there and just explore. So that's what we're going to do, is just go exploring. We'll check out some of the deserts in good old Arizona. Welcome, everybody. If you're one of my subscribers, sure appreciate you guys. If you're not, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. But anyway, let's go on another adventure, and thanks for coming along, guys.
Not very far though. Goes down in another 10 or 15 feet, and then it's all filled in with slough. It looks like there's a little hole right up above. This is what they were chasing. Oh, don't fall down in the cholla. This is what they were chasing right here, this little slip. Right here. Oh yeah, that goes down in there.
Hello down there. In there.
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Good. Hey, all right. Enjoying the ride?
Another day, another adventure.
Man, look at all this quartz. Whew, starting to warm up. Trying to walk to the top of this here. This hill has a lot of quartz on it. Not at the top. Wow, yet. This stuff is all kind of interesting. Hey, look where the battery went. Cool, man.
Yeah, it says 68. That can't be 1868.
There's the gas lines. Yeah, these roads are really, really bouncy. Woo. All right, we reached our destination. Weird stuff. Whatever they were doing, weird stuff. This area is mighty interesting. Look at all this stuff. These are all core drills. All of these are core samples. Wow, they did a lot of work all through here. All of these core samples, and probably broke them open. Look at the whatever you call these things inside here. That's ancient, ain't it? That's old stuff. Fossils like stuff. Cool. I have to run a detector around here just for a moment and see if anything goes off. Wow, that ain't working, is it? Let me put the discrimination on. Probably got rebar or something in this cement. A lot of metal stuff. Oh, casings. Oh, set your detectors off. No. Nothing interesting. They took all the gold with them. I wonder what year this is. Looks like they welded the bumper on. It was a crashing machine is what it was. Pretty cool. Wonder where the motor was. Everybody took everything. Everybody done stripped everything off. Had a tow hitch on it too. So it was towing something. Yeah, that is one big ass quartz vein right there. One of us has to stay out here in case there's an accident. And then one of us could go get help. So I'm always the one that seems to be volunteered to stay out of the mines while they go back in. I don't know why I'm always the one elected to do that, but, well, like I said, somebody's got to do it, so might as well be me. Yeah, he's back there a ways. I no longer see the light, so he's back there a ways. Another big quartz outcropping right there. Imagine coming all the way back here exploring, and then all of a sudden find a vein of gold and start chasing it. Wow, amazing. Amazing what these old timers did. Pieces of ore laying all over. Wow, can you see the gold in there? Look at all that gold. Look at it. Can you see it? I'm gonna have to take this rock back and crush it. Look at all that gold. Wow. Got a lot of minerals in it. Lots of iron, huh? Wow. Look at all the gold. Holy mackerels. Look at it all. Oh, I'm seeing a flashlight. Oh, he's coming back out. Did you go to the back?
Yep, I've been through the whole thing.
How far does it go back?
It goes back about, I would have to say, close to 200 feet and hits the vein they were looking for.
Huh.
And then it shoots off in either direction, 50, 60 feet both ways.
That's a deep one, huh?
At least 50 feet.
Wow.
I can't see the bottom.
Now the bridge caved in the road, so as far as we could go right there, caved in. We had to walk the rest of the way, all the way up there to the top of that mountain. That was a long ass walk. Sometimes you get up here on these little roads and they dead end and you have a hard time turning around. Then you got to back up. Tons of quartz. come upon when you're just out driving around. What the heck is this? Must be patented. It's not posted nowhere though, but an old bus, motorhomes. There's the mines up there. There's a couple mines there, one over there. Wow. Oh, look at this. Wow. Huh. This must have been the burn thing. They burn everything in here, throw it in there and burn it. It's everything but the kitchen sink right there. This must have been like their homemade septic. There's something down there. There must be the fireplace right there. Wow. Interesting. Never know what's living in one of these buildings, that's for sure. It's coming down. It's concrete. It's got a concrete floor. Interesting. Very interesting. It says individual Marines. Must have been Marines. Something to do with the Marines. Oh, that's Gene Hackman. Interesting. Worship music and a Bible. Wow. Pepper, I guess. Another fireplace. Must be some type of mine, I guess. Yeah. It's all filled back in, so nothing major. Wow. No telling what critters are living up underneath there. Huh, interesting. This must be water. Storage tanks for water. Wow, look at the pumps on those things underneath. Huh. Look like little spaceships. They're collecting barrels. Oh, interesting, huh? Must have been some type of stove-like. Oh, there's more junk down there. Like a foundation. They started their walls. Never finished it. Interesting. Little one-bedroom cabin. This one right here might be a two-bedroom. Free air conditioner. Every freaking thing's been robbed. Everything's been robbed off of this sucker. There's the bathroom. Got a toilet in there still? Oh, it does. Huh. There's Ryan. He had to go for a walk up there, that mine. Well, I ain't climbing down there, so I'll take the word for it that it goes down deep. Oh yeah, that's deep. It's caved in, it looks like. Huh. Cement foundation. Don't know what that is right there. Some type of leach pad or wash plant maybe. This thing probably held their water. Hello in there. Are you in there? That one is deep.
Especially this dark stuff.
there's everybody right there. We made it back into camp safe and sound.
Yep.
Another excellent adventure.
That was quite the adventure.
What'd we do? We went to
everywhere.
oh, I know, it seemed like everywhere. We saw some mines.
Yep, we went to the Glory Hole. We went to True Blue. What other ones did we go to? We went to
Calcite.
Yep, Calcite mine. We went to Mineral Hill.
And whatever else, I don't know.
Yeah.
You know, I just think I got a sunburn though. I think I got too much sun today. I gotta have a drink. Anyways, made it all back safe and sound, so we're back here now. So anyways, that's the end of that journey. We made it back okay. So hey, want to thank you guys coming along, sharing on these adventures. Get out, create your own adventures. We explored the backside of Arizona. That's what it seemed like anyways. So anyway, till our paths cross again, you guys all take care. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching, everyone.